Hey everyone, are you gearing up for a cybersecurity interview? First off, congrats on getting that opportunity. It's a big deal. I'm Luke Goff, and as a recruiter and a career coach who's seen tons of candidates ace their interviews, I've got some fantastic tips to help you stand out from the crowd. And today I'm going to talk through 7 of them. Stick with me because these are the exact things hiring managers are looking for. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Know the basic, but let your passion shine. Sure, you need to know those technical questions, firewalls, encryption, the works. But what really hooks a hiring manager? Enthusiasm. Show them this isn't just a job for you. It's something you live and breathe. Maybe drop a line about a personal project, like that time you set up a secure server at home, or mention a cybersecurity topic you geek out over. Trust me, that spark makes you unforgettable. Next up, tip 2, have stories ready to roll. Interviewers love hearing about real experiences. Maybe you smashed a capture the flag challenge, you built a home lab just for kicks, or tackled a tricky security issue. Don't just say what you did, walk them through how you approached it and how you crushed it. It's like storytelling with a tech twist, and it shows you're a problem solver who gets results. Moving on to tip number 3, do your homework on the company's security need. This is where you flex those research skills. Dig into their recent security projects or any breaches they might have faced. Nothing creepy, just Google and some news articles, then weave that into your answers. Something like, I saw you guys rolled out a new authentication system last year. Super cool. I'd love to contribute to stuff like that. It proves you're not just here to collect a paycheck, you're invested in what they're doing. Tip 4, show you're a lifelong learner. Cybersecurity moves at warp speed. There's new threats popping up every day. So casually mention a course you've taken recently, a certification you've nabbed, or even an article that blew your mind. It's not about bragging, it's about showing you're proactive and you're ready to keep up with the game. Tip 5, bring your e-portfolio and home labs into the spotlight. If you've got a digital showcase like a GitHub with your scripts, a blog breaking down a vulnerability you patched, or even a quick rundown of your home lab setup, be ready to talk about it. Maybe you've got a virtual network you've hardened against attacks or a custom firewall you've tinkered with. Mention it. It's tangible proof of your skills and initiative. Another tip, keep it concise. Think elevator pitch, not a TED talk. Tip 6, practice talking through scenarios. Here's a heads up. Interviewers love throwing curveballs like, hey, there's a breach right now, what do you do? Well, don't panic. They're not expecting a perfect fix on the spot. They want to see how you think. So walk them through it step by step. For example, first I'd isolate the system, then check the logs. You get the idea. Now practice this out loud before the big day. It really is a game changer. I can't stress that enough. And tip 7, don't skip this one. Research the company. Now I know I mentioned this with security needs, but go broader. What do they do? What's their mission? Any big news lately? You don't need to memorize their annual report, but showing you've done your homework says I'm serious about joining your team. Bonus points if you tie it to their values in the interview. Now, this goes with any interview you do. Never, ever, ever show up unprepared. The worst thing you want is if they ask you, what do we do? Or what's our background, and you can't answer it, you're probably not getting through that interview. So here's the bottom line. Cybersecurity interviews aren't just about skills, they're about who you are. Let your personality pop, let your passion shine, and show them you're the real deal. You've got this. Now, if you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more career hacks, and drop a comment. Tell me about your go-to interview trip. Also, if you feel like you would benefit from some career coaching, please get in touch and we can chat. In the meantime, good luck out there. I'm rooting for you. And as always, keep leveling up your career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.